When you're planning for a backpacking trip, you know you need to travel as light as possible. You need to organize your belongings and save as much space as you can. Most of the commercial packs are full of unnecessary pockets, but compression sacks are great for organization. Besides, they are lightweight, portable, and not very expensive. Finding an appropriate compression sack can be quite a bit challenging, and that's why in today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 best compression stuff sacks for backpacking under $20. So let's get on with the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Providing an unprecedented portable experience with a lightweight design, the Frelaxy compression sack is an incredibly simple and practical solution to the space-saving organization, even if it's made to the 5th on our list. It is made out of 210T polyester, which is thin yet tear-resistant to make it lightweight. Besides, it features a double-stitch construction and water-resistant coating on top of it so that you don't have to worry about its inside items getting accidentally wet. It offers 5 different size options to help you choose the correct size, and with 2 adjustable compression straps and 2 adjustable quick-release buckle straps, you can be sure your items will be compressed and secure. Finally is reflective trim on the straps, which makes it visible in the dark. Just put your gear and necessary items inside the Frelaxy compression sack, close its lid, adjust the straps, and you will be amazed at how much space you can save on your backpacking trip. Featuring a smaller size for a smaller organization, the Granite Gear Air ZIPPDITTY is a set of 4 color-coded stuff sacks. It'll keep your gear and allow you to take your little essentials on your backpacking trip in a convenient manner. With 30D Cordurasil nylon construction, these zippered stuff sacks are great for organizing your gear on a long backpacking trip. Besides, your items will stay secure as these stuff sacks have a water-resistant zipper to provide an excellent seal. You can keep your small items such as socks, headlamps, and compasses from floating around your neck. It features see-through nylon and color assortment for quick organization. Besides, its zippered opening and closure allow you to access your items whenever you want easily. Don't let the smaller size fool you. If you are an ultralight ounce counter, you'll definitely appreciate what the Granite Gear Air ZIPPDITTY has to offer. Featuring improved stitching, straps, and fabrics, the Hikenture compression sack will give you more space to pack what you need and have an unprecedented portable experience. Hikenture pays more attention to your experience and how you feel. It has a tear-resistant construction and uses 40D nylon as its material, which is super thin, but you get a durable compression sack. It is available in 4 sizes, which are respectively 10, 14, 20, and 30 liters. You can choose a suitable size according to your need. It uses 2 side release buckles and 2 adjustable straps, so put your items in it, pull the drawstring and close the lid. And because of its unique compression design, your items will be secure. Use the Hikenture compression sack to store your clothes or miscellaneous items without wasting any space. If you use it once, you will never leave it behind when you travel. allowing you to carry your items in a lightweight manner conveniently. The ALPS Mountaineering Compression Stuff Sack features solid construction, great compression, and ease of use. With a polyester ripstop construction, it comes equipped with a zippered pocket on the top lid that keeps your small items separate and lets you easily access them. It has got straps that connect its bottom and top lid to cinch down the top as much or as little as you need. As a result, you can adjust its length depending on what you're carrying on the trip. You can choose the appropriate one for yourself as it comes in 4 sizes. When it gets dirty, you can take care of it quickly because it is hand washable. Finally, its bottom webbing grab handle with D-rings and multiple attachment points allows you to carry it without any hassle. If you need a stuff sack for a sleeping bag or for storing other items, the ALPS Mountaineering Compression Stuff Sack will help save space in your backpack. By adhering to the concept of focus on outdoor gears made for outdoor life, REDCAMP is a professional outdoor equipment brand striving to provide you with the best outdoor experience. And the REDCAMP Nylon Compression Stuff Sack is the best overall option on our list for a number of reasons. First of all, it's lightweight, durable, and features a long service life because of its superior nylon ripstop construction. Besides, you can choose from its available 4 sizes: small, medium, large, or extra large, with 10 liters, 70 liters, 27 liters, and 40 liters capacity. It features a top lid with a zipper pocket so that you can easily and quickly access your small items. Besides, it comes with 4 adjustment straps which allow you to move extra air inside your belongings without any unsightly bulging. And finally, its bottom handle strap makes it comfortable to carry. Ideal for backpacking, hiking, camping, and allowing you to take everything you need on your backpacking trip. The REDCAMP Nylon Compression Stuff Sack performs to the highest standards, ultimately make your journey more convenient and comfortable. So that was all about the 5 best compression stuff sacks for backpacking under $20 just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.